Hi friends, welcome to TechieMit. Today in this new video, we'll start with stream operations in more details. So in continuation with the last videos, and this video will cover some more operations related to stream API. So let's go for it one by one. So currently you can see in front of the stream, starting with I've taken IntStream, and in the IntStream the range close function is taken, where we have two parameters, that is initial value and the final value, and we can apply an intermediate operation of filter over there. So on the basis it will filter the value. Suppose I want so the range of 1 to 50 numbers in which you can get odd numbers in it, and so I will give in the filter predicate, I will give the lambda condition to filter all the odd numbers in it. So the numbers would be filtered as on the basis of if it's odd, it should include in my stream range. So I will include only those numbers which are odd. And so when you get the count function, you should ideally get to 25 values. So there are a lot of functions that can be performed over there, but for example or demo purpose, we have taken the range close functions. uh, Suppose if you want to try more functions, there are more functions like that. Suppose if you over here more functions like animation, a lot of functions can be seen over here. You have to take into consideration so as to what your purpose, okay, you can achieve it to get the result and output. So I've taken the count over here. So it will give me the count of uh, 25 odd numbers within the range of 1 to 50. So this is basically used to operate over a fixed range. If you know what is the initial value and the end value, that purpose you can use this. After that, we have taken stream of string, and stream of string consists of uh, just as an array contains a list of values. So I given multiple strings separated by comma values. So for first, okay, this is a session on Stream API advanced topic. So multiple strings are combined together and using the stream.off operation. Remember, the stream.off operation, it returns a sequential ordered stream whose elements are specified value. So here you specified stream. If you use some other value, we will give the stream of that particular data type. So I've taken string, so it will give a stream of strings. So followed by that, I have used the system.out.print function to print the values, and also after that I have used the stream API to how to demonstrate to print the empty string in it. So if you want to initialize some string with empty values, so that can be done it using the stream, and you have to give the stream dot empty value. So it will give an empty string, and initially it has no count, so ideally you should get value 0 here. So that was about stream. Followed by that, so after that we have double array, and in this double array we have included multiple values, and we have taken this for the demo purpose. We need to see the sum of that. So I wanted to see the sum of all these four numbers which are double data type. So for that purpose I will include the function of arrays.string. Remember, these are about java.util.arrays, and using the arrays.aslist, similar to that we have arrays.string function, and in that you have to just pass the array and call the sum function, and it will return the sum of all these numbers. And after that we can also perform iterate and generate on the numbers. So for that I have taken some number multiplied by 3. For that purpose I have taken starting the number with 1, and I have limited to the value of 5. So 1 to 5, it will print the lambda that is given in, that is the number multiplied by 3. It will print all the numbers with 1, 1 into 3, 2, 2 into 3, 3, 3 into 3, 4 into the 3, 5 into 3. Likewise, I will put a limit condition, so it will print only 5 numbers. And after that, similarly, we can generate numbers, that is using the stream.generate function, and that we can do using demo purpose. I will use the mat referred the mat.random function, and I will use the limit function over there. So let's see the output of all these operations one by one. So I'll just run the program. This printed count of odd numbers is 25, as rightly can be seen over here. And for that, the empty string demo, and the value is 0 as expected. Count, it gives the value as 0. This, after that, the sum. Yeah, see, note, this is the sum of these numbers, so it correctly printed for this. Its precision is double, so it's printing such a long number, right? And after that, we have given the iterate the numbers. So I told you we will print over the multiplied by 5, 3, the first 5 numbers. So it correctly 1 into 3 is 1, 3 into 3 is 9, another 27, 81. So it printed correctly. So after that, randomly it printed 4 numbers. So randomly it can print any kind of number. So it printed these 4 numbers. So with the use of mat.random function as a method reference, we have printed over here. So that was all about Stream API detailed operations that I covered in this topic in this lecture. So do keep liking, subscribing, #TechieMit. Bye.